I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fish sauce chicken wings. First, let's prepare our marinade. You'll need about 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix these ingredients well. Then, add about 2 pounds of chicken wings, ensuring each piece is thoroughly coated. Let them marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or even up to 4 hours for deeper flavor. This simple step is key to a truly flavorful wing. Now let's get those wings ready for frying. For that perfect crispy exterior, we'll create a light coating. In a bowl, combine about 1/2 cup of cornstarch with 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Dredge each marinated wing piece through this mixture, shaking off any excess. This thin layer is crucial for achieving that satisfying crunch. While you're coating, start preheating your cooking oil to a steady 350 degrees Fahrenheit. With your oil hot and wings coated, it's time to fry. Carefully place a few wings into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Frying in smaller batches ensures the oil temperature remains consistent, leading to evenly cooked and crispy wings. Cook each batch for approximately 6 to 8 minutes, or until they reach a beautiful golden brown color and are cooked through. Once done, transfer them to a wire rack to drain any excess oil. Finally, let's add that irresistible sticky glaze. In a small saucepan, combine about 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of water. Bring this mixture to a simmer, stirring until the sugar dissolves and the glaze slightly thickens. Once your wings are freshly fried and still hot, toss them gently in this warm glaze until they are evenly coated. Serve these delicious fish sauce chicken wings immediately, perhaps with a garnish of fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of chili flakes for an extra kick. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.